Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Porsche Cayenne. This Porsche is powered by all-wheel drive, 3.6-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 60,686 miles. Experience luxury at your fingertips with a pre-owned 2016 Porsche Cayenne. Impeccable design, superior performance, and elegance that retains its charm. Unbeat value for money, don't miss this thrilling opportunity. This pre-owned Cayenne comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated windshield, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Porsche Cayenne is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.